Hey everyone, welcome back. In the mid to late 2000s, Facebook was all about staying connected with friends and family. However, as the social media platform added new features and grew over time, that core experience began to get drowned out. That change is starting now, according to Meta, which today introduced a new feature that will bring back the joy of classic Facebook. Specifically, Meta has redesigned the Friends tab on the Facebook to focus on the magic of friends. The page now shows content from only your Facebook friends with no recommended content or other distractions. The tab will show your friends' posts, reels, birthdays, and more, and it will continue to show your friend requests as well. Until now, the Friends tab only showed your friends' requests and people you may know. The updated Friends tab is rolling out starting today in the US and Canada, so you might not see it right away. It's worth pointing out that the redesigned page appears to be a server-side change with no update required, but installing the latest version of the app doesn't hurt. To access the tab, all you have to do is just tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner and then select Friends. You can then pin the Friends tab so that it is easily accessible from the bottom navigation bar. To do so, you just have to tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner and then select Settings and Privacy. After that, choose Settings. Then you have to go to Tab Bar and choose Customize the bar. And then you can fine tune it to your heart's liking, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily set up and use the Friends tab feature on Facebook. Now that you know how it works, make sure to share your thoughts about it, and I'll catch you up in the next one with more such cool tips and tricks. Till then, have a great time. Bye bye.